Hi everyone, my name is Kayla Lassiter. This is my phylogenetic diversity project for my Bio 112 class. I'll be presenting different organisms from different phylum and presenting them. Wait, what is a phylum? Oh. Okay, first we'll be discussing bryophytes. An example that I have with me is a bryophyta, commonly known as moss. Moss is found in terrestrial forests and thrive off humidity. Here I have a stone that's covered in this moss that I found in my family friend's pathway. The vegetation grows in the stone walkway area, which is watered daily. They soak up excess water that thrive nearby vegetation and plants. In terrestrial ecosystems, mosses are essential for preventing soil erosion and climatic variables like humidity and light intensity that affect the germination and establishment of their spores. Alright, next up we have chordates.
Maybe I said that wrong.
First we have a lizard. As you can see, I'm trying to show it to the camera the best way I can.
Peekaboo.
I figure it's best for me to actually get it out of the container first before I do anything else, but I'm struggling to get it open. I actually spilled some of the alcohol inside on the table, so don't mind me cleaning that up. I'm gonna pause for 1 second. Okay, now that I've got them out the container, I'll try to present them even better by showing you from above. Okay, starting again with this little frog, we're gonna call him Jack. And the lizard that I caught, his name is Harry.
Silly name.
So ask about the names, I just came up with them. So we were going to use my cat named Fluff, but you know, they're supposed to be
deceased.
Dead. But anyway, Henry and Jack. Their scientific names are Lacertida and Anura. These organisms can be found in terrestrial forests. I found Henry and Jack on my great-grandmother's front porch. Lizards and frogs are essential for controlling insects, pests, and controlling rodent numbers. Their food is plentiful, but they also have higher priority for their predators on the food web. Fun fact, my mom is actually terrified of frogs, so it was difficult to bring this inside my house to record and study. This was fun actually. Next is the phylum Arthropod. Here I'm presenting the beetle twins, Kyle and Jamal.
Please don't name
and
your
our crab
children.
clay. Their actual names are Coleoptera and Brachyura. Beetles are found in terrestrial forests and crabs are found in aquatic ecosystems. On the ground near the front porch of my great-grandmother's flower garden had the beetles crawling all over it. 2 of them were trapped by me in a sticky trap where they slowly perished. The crab specimen is found in a local sea market. In order to prevent their gills from drying up and to hide from predators while they're out in the water, crabs will seek for dark and cold and wet areas. Larger crustaceans serve as food supply for aquatic animals, while smaller crustaceans recycle nutrients and decompose dead creatures. Beetles communicate through using sounds, vibrations, and/or pheromones. While others vibrate and drum, other beetles make noise by rubbing their legs together or scraping their mouth parts against one another. Beetles like fireflies and lightning bugs may communicate by shining in the dark. Okay, next up we have an annelid. Let's meet Gary the earthworm. Yes, Gary. Like Gary the snail. Yeah, you get it. The scientific name being Lou, I don't even know, but it smells bad, like really bad. Okay, don't worry, I got it. The scientific name being Lubricina. Worms like Gary can be found in terrestrial grasslands and forests. Okay, many of us already know that earthworms eat and process organic materials and turn them into plant nutrients, but they also, by doing so, will make air tunnels for the plants to breathe. It's specifically the roots. My great aunt likes to garden a lot, so it was pretty easy to acquire these as well. Okay, moving on to the Phylogenetic. I'm not going to try to say the first name, so we're going to call her Julie the Fern. Ferns like Julie are found in terrestrial forests. I'm actually starting to notice a pattern here. I actually found this fern outside my grandmother's home because she likes keeping plants everywhere. This was also very easy to acquire. Ferns are able to adapt extremely well to different environments to serve as a bioindicator for the well-being of the environment. Like most other plants, ferns use photosynthesis to take in vital nutrients that will be able to convert carbon dioxide, what we exhale, to oxygen, which we inhale. Okie dokie. Next, we have the Pinophyta. This is all eat a pine cone. Bro, I got glitter on it. The scientific name will be, for reasons, I'm going to pronounce this as Pinus. Pine cones are found very prevalently in forests. Ollie was found outside my great-grandmother's yard. Pine cones protect pine tree seeds from the cold by sealing their scales around them to protect them from the wind, frost, cold, and predatory animals. Here I have an angiosperm, a common rose. What's left of it? I'm going to call him Carlos. He stars in a telenovela. Why not? The rose's scientific name is Rosa rubicosa. They are found commonly in terrestrial forests, but they are very defensive type of plant, so it's not unheard of for them to be in different biomes. I acquired these from my grandmother's front yard, where she has 2 giant rose bushes in her fire porch. Roses are well known for having sharp thorns to fend off predators, but they are actually altered epidermis cells or skin cells, forming into a thorn-like device. Wow. Lastly, we have the seaweed sheet. This is practically food, so I don't know if I should name it. The scientific name for this seaweed is Chlorophyta. These are found mostly in all aquatic ecosystems. I got this seaweed wrap from my local fish market. People use seaweed in their food as well as fertilizer and cosmetics. These are often found near the surface of the water to get close to exposure of the sun in order to photosynthesize. Fun fact, a couple years back, I did go to a marsh and picked up wild seaweed. I tasted it. It was extremely salty. I do not recommend it. I thought about making a joke about salt, but then I thought, nah, that doesn't sound fun. Please laugh.